Hi,
Hi,
Arushi. Good
Megha.
afternoon. How are you?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thanks for asking. How was your weekend?
Weekend was awesome.
Mhm.
Yeah, it was. Weekend was superb due to Navratri.
Oh, wow, nice. You had a ceremony at home?
Uh, I cannot say ceremony, but
Okay.
everything. We have a crowd in
Mhm.
front of every temple,
Yes.
and Garba thing is going on. Classes,
Oh, uh-huh.
then again program like people are arranging events to play
Mhm.
garba somewhere. Actually it is banned, but small events are still going on.
Yeah, I think people have become very relaxed in their mindset. No? So, no matter what rules are implemented, they'll flout it.
Yes,
Yeah. And
actually.
Garba is very popular there. Here very rarely in some hotels and all they organize these events. But I think in Maharashtra and in the northern part, I guess Garba is very famous for
Yeah,
Gujarat.
it's very famous in Gujarat and in Maharashtra also. It's very famous. I
Okay.
was saying that
Mhm.
it is very common, and it is happening in front of every temple, like
Okay.
Lord. What should I say? Okay, so
Mhm.
yeah, it is happening in front of every temple, or
Okay.
wherever there is a free space where
Mhm.
a group can play garba. The event
Okay.
is happening. Yeah.
That's amazing. I would love to witness once firsthand, okay, but I've never gotten a chance. Even in our office, they never used to organize Garba. Everything else was there. Holi, Diwali, everything was there except this. So I don't know when I'll get to witness it once. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then. Today's topic is actually time management. Okay. So, how important is time management for you in your daily life?
My in my daily life, yeah,
Yeah.
time management is really very important
Mm-hmm.
because a lot of time we waste time here and there, and by end
Yeah.
of the day we realize that few things
Mm-hmm.
are pending. Not
Mm-hmm.
just I'm not just talking about office related work or something.
Okay.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
talking in general. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
when we are having our lunch or dinner, or maybe
Yes.
we watch TV and
Yeah.
we extend that time till half an hour to 1 hour,
Yeah.
and we realize that, oh my god, it's already 10 or 11 and we have some things to do also.
Mm-hmm.
So that is just an example, but yes, I think that we should have schedule of everything
Mm-hmm.
uh, from morning to night, and then only we can save time, or we can do all the things in a organized manner, and we
Yeah.
won't miss anything. Otherwise it would lead to procrastination and all.
Yeah, that's so true. Good that you mentioned the word, procrastination. Why do you think people procrastinate? Sometimes it's on purpose, right? Procrastination is purposefully putting off something. So why do you think people have do this, including me? I'm no exception. But what's your opinion?
I think people like to do that, or they think that procrastination is something very cool because
Yeah.
in last year December,
Mm-hmm.
I went to office for some period of time, and then
Okay.
lockdown happened, and we had to work from home. But
Okay.
in that period, there was a event, or
Mm-hmm.
a festival of Secret Santa. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
there was a game or event happening in our office, that is
Mm-hmm.
Christmas. Okay, Christmas was there, and we were playing
Okay.
Secret Santa.
Yes.
And yeah, someone was introducing himself, and he was like, "I'm a professional procrastinator." Procrast-" And he was so
Okay.
proud of it. He was saying it like, "I am." And I was
As
like,
if it's an achievement.
"Yes, exactly."
Okay.
As it like it is an achievement. Yeah. So
Uh-huh.
maybe just to look cool, or to show other people that we can procrastinate, but still uh, we are not affecting. Maybe that
Yes.
is the intention.
We are not affected by it.
We
We are
are
not
not
affected.
affected. Yeah, we are not
Yeah.
affected. Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
That
So
way we
it's
can.
like a cool quotient, huh? just to be
Yeah, but
cool.
I think it's not cool at all. Because
Yeah,
okay, for
absolutely.
saying it may look cool, but it is
Mhm.
impacting somewhere. If not
You. Mhm.
impacting on you, it is impacting
Mhm.
somewhere else
Yes,
in a very bad way. I think, and people should
absolutely.
understand this.
Mhm.
Yes.
True, that's true. And what are some kind of things that you normally put off doing, like when some X activity is assigned to you, you don't want to do it, you want to procrastinate or put it off.
This is something very rare, which is
Yeah,
which will happen to me, that
mhm,
some task is allocated to me.
yeah,
So I am like, if something is allocated to me, I
mhm,
try to schedule my things in a way that
mhm.
by end of the shift I would finish everything, and I would not need to stretch to work my daily allocation, but or daily
Okay,
work. But when it comes to some
okay,
additional work, I also try to adjust that work in my regular schedule. Sometimes it's possible, sometimes
fine.
it's not, because we are human being,
Mhm.
we are not machine,
Yeah,
like so of course
true.
it is.
Mhm.
And I think it depends on my desire or on my mood.
Yeah,
Okay, if I want to do it, I want to do it. If not, then like if you have mindset also, you cannot do it. So
very
yeah,
true.
it's on mood.
Okay, so when you were in school, were you the kid who used to submit all the assignments on time, all the project works on time, and the other kids would get into trouble?
Uh, okay, so yeah, when I was in school, I was
Mhm.
very sincere. I used
Yeah.
to do things on time, and
Okay.
for that only, I was getting praise, or I was getting praise.
Praised by my teachers. Yeah.
Yeah, I was getting praised by my teacher and my parents also.
Okay.
My parents were like, parents were giving my example to my elder sister. Like, look at her, she's
Oh,
younger than you, and still
it's
she is
the
doing
other
all
way
this.
around.
Oh, exactly. So for those things
Okay.
only, I was doing everything
Uh-huh.
in advance.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. Must have been a great
I
feeling, right?
Yes, I used to like attention. Not used to
Mhm.
like, I now also I like attention a lot. So yeah.
Okay. Fine. Appreciate that. Okay. Not everyone is very outspoken when it comes to these things. The fact that you know about yourself, you're so assertive about it, it's very impressive. Okay. And in your family or in your friend circle, who is the most patient person that you know?
Okay, patient.
Yeah.
Mm, I think in my family no one is patient, and that is the reason I am
Nobody.
also not. If there is someone
Okay.
in the extended family, then I think I cannot recall it. But in my
Yeah.
close family members, I don't find someone who has a lot of patience. But yeah, when it
Okay.
comes to friends, I
Yes.
think, yeah, in friends, I have a person who is very patient, but and
Mhm.
sometimes I feel like, why are you? It's irritating because when someone is too much patient, no, that
Yeah.
starts irritating me.
Okay. Like it makes you impatient. Why are you putting up with all this? That kind of mentality.
Yeah, why can't you
Okay.
react? I really want someone to react immediately, or even after some period of time, not just.
Yeah.
Some people are relaxed. Okay, if I'm giving them some news, or even
Yes.
I'm excited for something, and they're not reacting because they're patient. They're like, okay, it is gonna happen. But I'm like, oh, come on, you should react. So yeah.
Okay. So you have someone in your, they're like always as cool as cucumber, not worried about, not bothered, no impulsive reactions, nothing.
No, no, no. Like,
God,
okay, chill, cool, fine.
very good
So,
for them. It's very
yeah.
rare. Okay. It's a rarity these days, but good for them, huh? And what do you think procrastinators can do to change the situations? Do you have some tips and tricks for them?
Okay, so first of all, procrastination is very bad thing. No one should apply
Yeah.
this in their life. And why it is happening? It's just okay. I'm not telling you.
No, no, no. Like, how can
Don't
they overcome it?
don't
Like,
take
how
me.
can they overcome it? Uh,
Uh, laziness is the first reason, I think, when a person is lazy.
Yeah, yes,
uh,
yes. Tell me about it. Very true.
so I think you should plan things accordingly. If you're lazy, or if you don't want to work continuously, plan
Mm-hmm.
things accordingly, and then maybe you will be able to finish your task in time, and it would not like transfer or carry forward to next day.
Yes, yeah. It won't be carried forward to the next day.
It
That's
won't
correct.
be carried forward to next day. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's the one thing. And second thing is that a person should be
Mhm.
or responsible. Maybe both the
Yes.
things.
Yes. Responsible, I think it's important because procrastinators now they do most of the activities. There are the specific things that they don't want to do and they put it off, like submitting a record, finishing an assignment. Rest of the day they're fully active, roaming around here and there. They don't mind all that. Just the work responsibility part, I think they
Yeah,
lack, as you mentioned.
responsibility. So
Yes.
responsibility is really very important. A person should
Yeah.
be responsible no matter
Mm-hmm.
what kind of work they are doing, but
Yeah.
they should be responsible. So yeah,
Okay.
that's the second thing.
Okay, fine. And at any point in your life, have you forgotten an important date or an important event, and then it suddenly, struck your mind, like, okay, I messed up. So has that ever happened? Birthdays, events, anything?
Uh, have you realized that I have joined the session 5 minutes late?
Yes, actually, I realized. But then
So
I thought you might be in the work, no? Like you must be
yeah,
working. I thought you caught up in
actually
a
I was
meeting.
working.
Yeah.
Normally I have sessions in the
Mhm.
evening, but today
Yeah.
I thought let's change something and let's challenge myself that whether I will be active in the afternoon or not. And I tried it, but I
Mm-hmm.
forgot that I have a session. And when I got a message, I realized it, and that's why. So yeah, I forget. I have a habit of forgetting things. Is it correct?
Yes, absolutely.
So yeah, I forget
Mhm.
things. Not dates. I'm good at dates. When someone tell me the birthday, I would remember it. But
Mhm.
when it comes to Delhi things, no.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going in a shop. My mom asked me to buy
Mhm.
5 things. I'll definitely forget one thing. And when
Okay.
coming back, I realized that okay, while coming back, I do realize that I
Yeah.
must have forgot something. But what that thing is, I will definitely remember when I'll reach home.
Very good. And then
So,
I'm pretty sure your mom is like, why don't you take a list and go with you? That's
yes,
what my mom
exactly.
tells me.
But again, we are like, no, I can remember. It's just five
Yeah,
things.
exactly. That confidence is there when we step out, but when we step in, we remember, okay, one thing missed, second thing missed, and then I have to go again. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
very common.
absolutely.
Yeah, yeah. You mentioned someone tell me, no? It's actually someone tells me. Someone
Tells me.
yes,
Someone tells me.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
right.
Okay. And
Okay, so by you, I have a question for you. Can I
yes,
ask you?
yes, please.
So, by your face or by looking at you, someone can figure out that she's such a patient. No, she's very patient. She has like
Yeah,
you look so calm and relaxed.
I
So are
am
you
actually.
actually? Oh
Yeah,
wow.
you were talking about that annoying person who never reacts instantly. I am that person.
Oh my god. Question.
So, yes, yes. When I was a kid, that this wasn't the case. I was very impatient, extremely impatient. But slowly over time, I don't know what happened. It's as if some switch turned on, and I became very patient. I don't know how or what, but I am now.
God, that's so. People
Yeah.
like you, I mean, it's difficult to find people like you who are patient, calm, and like don't react immediately. And
Okay. I am
it's a good quality.
literally, yeah, I'm very flattered. Okay. I'm literally blushing right now from the inside. Thank you for the
No,
compliment. You're sweet.
actually, it's a compliment, and I would love to ask you that. What's the secret? Can you give me some tips? Because I'm so impatient.
Okay,
Impatient.
so one thing that I have realized is if you're very impatient, right, that irritation it ends up affecting you. The other person, if they are doing something to annoy you, right, annoy you now. Even if you're impatient, it's not going to affect them because they're deliberately doing it. So at the end, the only person who's lost their peace of mind is me. And I don't want that to happen. I don't want to, waste my emotions on because somebody else messed up. So yeah, the only time I get very angry or impatient is if I have messed up. So that time I get angry or impatient with me. With others, not so much. I'm like, I let it slide. Okay, no problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Because I
good.
don't want to affect myself. It's a selfish reason, but still, it's important. Self care.
Yeah, right. Self
Yeah,
care is
that's the
good.
reason. Very, very important. And it happens as we grow older, no? You must have realized before we join the workforce, we meet limited number of people, our four friends, our teacher, our family members. Once you go to office, there are these so many people that you interact with every day. And not everyone is easy to deal with. I think you know it much better now.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Absolutely
Correct. Na? Yeah. Once or twice we can be angry. Okay. But if you know the person is in the habit of doing something like that, why would I keep angering myself every day? I just let it be. Like, buddy, you do your thing. I'll do my thing. That's it. That's how it is.
your own business and I'll mind my own business.
Yes, exactly. Trust me, it works. And
Yes.
being punctual, is it a personality trait that impresses you in someone? If someone is on time to meet you or talk to you, do you get impressed?
Yes, yes. I mean, though I'm not punctual all the time, I
Yeah.
try to, but sometimes I messed up.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
but when the other person is, I feel
Mhm.
okay. So, yeah, that's the quality impressed me a lot. I mean,
Yeah.
we judge people on the basis of few qualities, right?
Yes.
So, punctuality is is one of
Mhm.
the, yeah, is one
For
of the
you.
qualities. Yeah, for
Okay. Very well. And if a person is texting you and they're taking a lot of time for the reply, okay, do you get irritated by it?
a lot. I want, I mean, okay, I'll tell you how impatient I am or
Yeah.
how how
Uh-huh.
irritated I can get,
Irritated I can get. How irritated I can
how
get.
irritated I can get. So
Yeah.
I can immediately call that person on that
Mhm.
time, no matter on what time we are chatting. I can
Okay.
immediately ask, we chatting, right? Why you're not replying? Reply me, otherwise don't talk to me. So I am patient and
Okay.
yes. It's
Okay.
really
Fine.
weird, but I have done this, and I
Mhm.
can still do this when someone will
Okay.
when someone delay in reply to me.
Yeah. When someone delays while replying to me.
When someone delays while replying me, yes.
Exactly. Yeah. But this irritates me also. Okay. In this scenario, I'm also impatient. Especially you can see they're online and all that. They're taking so long for one reply. God, that irks me so much. Yeah. This
Okay,
one thing.
so
Yeah.
impatient thing is still there. Okay.
Yes. In this scenario, I feel it is a little bit of a negligence more than impatient. No? It's a little disrespectful. I feel. To keep someone waiting
Yeah,
even though you're
absolutely,
online.
absolutely.
Yeah, that irritates me. That happens.
So it's better if you don't if you don't see the messages, then that would be fine. But if
Yeah,
you
that's
see the
okay.
message and you're not replying, then that's irritating. Yeah,
Exactly,
and that
Arushi. You
looks
get me.
disrespectful.
Yes, exactly. You
Yeah.
get me very well. Okay. And is it that difficult? Do you think being punctual is very difficult or it's achievable?
I think it's achievable. You just need to practice things for a
Yeah.
short period of time,
Mm-hmm.
and you will eventually you will inculcate that in your habit. So yeah,
Okay.
I mean it's achievable and it's not that
Mm-hmm.
difficult. Initially,
Okay.
you will have to manage few things, but
Yeah.
that's fine.
Okay.
I mean, later on, you can see the results. People
Mm-hmm.
impress. People will impress by you.
Yeah.
Uh,
People will be impressed by you.
People will be impressed by you. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. That's very true. I think people will remember that for a very long time. If you're on time and if you treated them well, they remember these things
Yeah,
when you're
especially
meeting them second
yeah,
time.
yeah. Especially when you're meeting someone for the first time, or
Yeah.
you're going for a presentation or something like that, some important events. So
Yes.
yeah, it gets it gets noticed.
Mm. Yes.
And yeah, it
Okay.
helps
Mm.
to enhance your personality. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, very well. Great answers and very good vocabulary. The way you used inculcate, right? These are advanced vocabulary, C2 level words. So it's amazing. Good. And the only feedback for you, Arushi, is that you are a very good speaker. The only thing is you doubt yourself too much. Towards the end of a sentence, no, your sentences sound as if it's a question. Even though your sentences have been flawless, even though they're pretty perfect, you doubt yourself a lot, and that reflects in the tone of your answers. So I just want you
Yeah,
to
I
sound more confident. Okay. Uh,
yeah, I know this. I know this. And why I'm doing this, because
yeah.
I want to say, or I
Yeah.
want to speak correctly, because this is the
Mhm.
platform where I can ask other person that whether it is
Yeah.
correct or not. So
Yes.
that's
So
why
that's
maybe
your
I'm
way of
doing it
asking.
intentionally.
Okay, okay. Like there are two kinds of
Maybe
people, okay? Yeah. First, they speak incorrectly, but they're very confident. And the second, like you speak so well, but you don't seem very, you doubt yourself towards the end of the sentence. You have no reason to doubt, okay? Your English, grammar, everything is good, except for tiny, tiny, subject verb agreement part.
yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
will fix as time goes by. But apart from that, you're really good. I just want you to be confident towards the end of your sentence. That's all.
Yes, yes. Next time I'll be definitely. Yes.
Yeah, sure. Okay, now I understand. You wanted to be a question to the speaker. Like,
Yeah,
okay, am I
because
correct? Uh-huh.
I think or I feel that you cannot
Yeah.
observe my each and every sentence, right? You may miss something, so that's why I really want to assure that whether I'm using something incorrect, so please correct me.
Okay.
So that, in that
Okay.
sense only. Yeah.
Okay. Very smart. That's nice. That's a nice way.
But
Okay.
yeah, but I think
Fine.
it doesn't look good, right?
Here it's fine, I guess, but don't do it outside when you're on a public platform or when you're speaking with other people.
Yeah,
They might see it as a weakness. So don't do that. That's
absolutely.
yeah.